Welcome to Run Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. Today I want to show you some awesome finds. But first, make sure you're going on runrundeals.com to make sure you're downloading that app and also following us on Facebook and Instagram. Why wouldn't you do it? All right, we have some measuring tools for baking in the kitchen right for you, right that we found on Amazon, just clicking on Run Run Deals app. With that being said, I usually just wing it. I guesstimate the amount of flour, salt, pepper, butter that I need to make my food, but I now am getting into baking. So sometimes with baking, you have to be very prestige, and I'm not too familiar with everything, so I'm going to have to stick with the measurements. So I didn't like the little plastic ones because it seemed like they would break constantly, but I went on Run Run Deals app and I found that they had metal ones, and we're going to check those right on out. So I'm very impressed with these, nice and simple, modern looking. I like the companies on the back, the measurements, all cups that I need. And they're all attached on this cool little ring. So if it happens to break or something, I can go back to the store. It's like a keychain ring. Very simple, very chic, very cute. Also, they do have the little teaspoons and tablespoons looking the same way with the same keychain band on it. These are awesome. I love them. Check them out. All right, everyone, that is all that we have today. Make sure you tune in weekly for all the great deals that I have to share with you. With that being said, why wouldn't you do it?